So this is August 2nd. It's a Thursday. It's 11:30 in the morning. Frida and I are about 8 miles, 10 miles from our destination. It's called Pomeroy. Here's Frida. We're going up a very big hill. It's my last major all-day type climb of the trip. As you can see, it's very windy. And that wind is in our face. And I just passed a guy who I've heard about for a couple weeks now. His name's Bob, and he's going by horse and wagon across the country. And Bob said that this section here has an 8% grade. And yeah, I'm about to stop and eat this sandwich. It's gonna be real good. Frida will get some too. Frida. Yes. You having a good time today? Yeah. Alright, and also another thing to notice about Eastern Washington, you know, the greenery is pretty much all gone. It's getting very dry again and hot. But I can't complain right now because we do have cloud cover and it's not that hot right now. So I'm going to eat my sandwich. There it is.